Как ты не крути, нам не по пути, мы с тобой не пара. But honey, now that you... Whoa, buddy! Whoa, whoa, what the fuck? Okay. What the hell? What even was that?
Hit the red button.
Those numbers aren't that high, but there's a lot of rules and regulations. So you can't go crazy. You can give a lot to...
Preston Cooper, week 94.9, Star Country in the... Preston Cooper, week 94.9, Star Country in the Star Country Cash Card will make you strong. You got some keywords that can get you.
What is happening?
Go forward. What?
What the fuck is wrong? Is she...
What the fuck are we doing?
What the fuck are you doing?
I'll be sharing even more personal stories with you guys.
What?
And I know a lot of people are gonna attack me. Why are you gonna go visit your dad? Your mom wouldn't be okay with it. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I know my mother. And I know my mom had a very forgiving heart.
Today, driving wise.
Am I overreacting thinking that this person is wildly inappropriate? I don't know if you're seeing a psychiatrist. You might be seeing a demon ghost.
I missed the paranormal one.
Why? Please give me a ghost.
Where the
Also,
fuck
it
are the
happened
gnomes?
again. It really happened again, guys. Someone was talking about one spooky thing, and then they used something even spookier to just...
So we can all sit down and say, oh, these things are improbable, or all these other things, but yeah, that's just what it says here. Try to enjoy it while you are here. If that makes any sense here. Because guys, we don't want something. There's no possible way to just show every day who you are, what you want. Fought the cops. Oh, mom. Oh. And he goes into crying. And I'm sitting there and I start to feel bad for the dude, because this dude is crying. And I start to gas repairs.
Well, they have a Jersey Giant. Holy crap.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh, all that.
All that?
Did someone else?
No big contracts. 4, I use it. 5, the Bob uses it. Are you playing me off?
this issue. And for a guy who has spent his entire life avoiding accountability, that is a nightmare scenario. So the game is on. The country is watching. We are soon going to see where this lands. But in the midst of all of this, there are some stunning, explosive emails about exactly this.
Oh, your eyeliner sucks.
You say that?
Or like something like that. I forgot what you said. Like at that time I got like blue eyeliner and stuff.
Morning, boys. Morning, boys.
Normales, fuera.
Now, what they forgot to mention was that...
The pass orders for burial at the afterlock. I see. And Mr. Bonner, have all officers assemble.
Thanks for watching, and have a great day.